Most connected accounts in Mezzi refresh automatically every 24 to 48 hours, but if your account balance looks off or your holdings haven't updated, it's usually one of three things. The brokerage feed hasn't refreshed, there's a temporary sync delay, or the institution is performing maintenance. Here's how you typically fix that in Mezzi. First, go to your profile page, select the affected account, then click on Manage. You'll see two options. Repair all accounts. Use this when the connection is broken or the data feed has stopped updating. It will walk you through securely reconnecting the account. You may be prompted to re-enter your brokerage credentials. This reestablishes the data feed. Refresh connection. Use this when the account is connected, but you're waiting for the latest activity to appear. After that, the data should be updated. If not, please allow up to 24 to 48 hours for the update to complete, but in most cases, the data issue resolves on its own. Mezzi displays the data exactly as it's received from your brokerage through providers like Plaid, Snaptrade, or Finicity. Your portfolio should reflect reality, not estimates, not assumptions, because visibility only works if the data is right.